going to start our first lesson, that is from chapter number 1 in your book, and your chapter name is Notation and Numeration. This chapter consists of 4 lessons, and today I'm going to start lesson number 1. So, firstly, here on your screens you see objectives of today's lesson. So, number 1 is identify, discuss, and learn the 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with their place value and expanded form. Number 2 is make the predecessor and successor of the given numbers. Okay, now move to the next. Before starting the chapter, I want to introduce these terms to you. So, what is numeration? Here you see, numeration means writing number in words like 142. How to write 142 in words? Here you see 142, because here starting from here, here's 2 is under the place of units, 4 is under the place of tens, and 100 is under the place of 1 is under the place of 100. So you read and write it like 142. Notation. What is notation? Notation means writing number in figures. This is opposite of numeration. In numeration, we write number in words, and in notation, we write number in figures. Here you see like 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. This is written in figure form and this is written in word form. This is the difference between numeration and notation. Hope you all understand this. I'm repeating again. Numeration means writing number in words like this, ONE1, TW2 or whatever. But we are revising 3-digit numbers, and you all know that 3-digit number means we have to do place up to 100. 3-digit number means your digits comes at the place till 100. We are understanding about 100. It's mean units, tens, 100. These 3 places comes under 3 digits, so it is called as 3-digit numbers. So in notation, we means writing number in figures. Here you see like 3, 2, 1 and 5, 4, 3. Hope you all understand these 2 terms. Now we move to start our chapter. First of all, here, I want to give you concept of smallest and largest 2, 3 and 4-digit numbers. Okay. This slide is taken from your book, page number 7, exercise B. First of all, here you will understand this. So, first digit largest number is 9. Here you see the smallest 2-digit number is 10. Okay, so the smallest 2-digit number is 10. So what come before 10? 9. So the largest 1-digit number is 9 and the smallest 2-digit number is 10 here. Okay, now next, here you see the smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the largest 1-digit number is 9. All you know that 9 comes before 10, so it's largest 1-digit number. Now after 9 comes 2-digit, that is 10's first 2-digit, that is 10. So the smallest 2-digit number is 10. After 10, all you know that largest 1-digit is 9. So the largest 2-digit number is 99. After 99, what comes? 100. So 100 will become smallest 3-digit number, same as above. If the largest 1-digit number is 9, then the number before after 9 is 10. So the smallest 2-digit number is 10. Here you see the largest 2-digit number is 99. So what comes after 99? 100. So the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now, the largest 3-digit number, largest first digit number is 9, largest 2-digit number is 99, and the largest 3-digit number is 999, 999. 9. What comes after 999,000? So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 here. Okay. Same as the largest one digit is 9. Now the number that comes after 9 is 10. So the smallest 2-digit number is 10. The largest 2-digit number is 99. So what comes after 99? 100. So the smallest 3-digit number is 100. After that, the largest 3-digit number, that is 999 or 999. So what comes after 999,000? The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Then it will so on in this series. So the largest 4-digit number is, the largest 3-digit is 999. So the largest 4-digit number is 9,999. And if you continue this, then the smallest 5-digit next number will be 10,000. Okay. In this way, you will make the smaller understand the smallest or largest 1, 2, 3, 4-digit numbers. Okay. We all understand this. Okay. Now we are moving to our next slide. Here you see, also open your books, page number 1. You will see there exercise 1.1, 3-digit numbers review. Here you see example 2, 3, 1. Unit 10, 100. So this is 3-digit number consists of 3 places like units, tens, 100. So this is 3-digit number that consists of 3 places, and 3-digit number comes and ends at the place of 100. So here you see this example is related to exercise 1.1 that you see on in your books, page number 1. So here you see these blocks are 100. In this box there are 100 blocks, so it counts as 100 because in this box how many blocks are there? 100 blocks. And how many and these 100 blocks consist of only one box, so you write 1 here. Now these 3 columns consist of 10 blocks each. You will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way same. So these 3 columns represent tens. So how many columns of tens are there? 1, 2, 3. Here you write 3. And in end you see 2 blocks. Only these 2 blocks represent units. Okay, so how many blocks of units are present here? Only 2. So you write here 2. 100 blocks consist of only one box. Okay, or one box consists of only 100 blocks. So here is only one box represent of 100 blocks. So you write 1 here. If there are 2 or 3 boxes of 100 blocks, then you will write 2 or 3 here. But here only given one box that consists of 100 blocks. So you will write 1 here. Now, how many columns of 10 are there? 3 columns of 10s are there. So you will write 3 in the place of 10. And how many how many blocks of units are given here? These single blocks, whether it is 2, 3, or 4. This comes at the place of units. So how many blocks of units are given here? 2. So here your number is 1, 3, 2. This is written in the form of notation or in the form of figures. And so when we write in figures, it's called notation. Okay, in this way you will solve exercise 1.1 on in your book, page number 1, by using pencil. Here you see I'm solving. Here 2 questions are solved for your guidance. Exercise 1.1. Look onto your screens and also open your books, page number 1. Here you see, count the blocks and write the numbers in figures and words for each of the following. Here you see, first column is of blocks, second of figures, and third of words. So the dark green color blocks that consist of, here only one box is present here. Here you see only one, and here you see 3 blocks of 100. One box consists of how many blocks? 100 blocks, and here is only one box is given. So one here you write 1. Then how many columns of tens are given here? As I here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each column of this consists of 10 blocks. So here, how many blocks of 10? How many columns of 10s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will write 9 in the place of 10s. And here you see two blocks that mention here units, or that we understand as units. So how many blocks of units are given here? 2 blocks. So you write 2 here. 100 blocks. Here only one box is given that consists of 100 blocks. So you will write 1 here. 9 columns of 10s are present here. Each consists of 10 blocks. So you will write 9 here, and here 2 single columns, 2 single blocks are given. So it comes at the place of units. So how many single blocks are given here? 2. So your figure is 192. In this way, you will write this in words form. Here, 192, when you write 192 in words, in this way, 192. Okay. In this way, in the same way, you will solve question number 2 and question number 3. Here, question number 4 is also done for you. So here you see dark green box. This one dark green box consists of 100 blocks. So the place of 100 you will write 1 because only one dark green box is given here. Now you are starting counting tens columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same as above. Here also 10 columns. 9 columns of tens are given here. So you will write 9 at the place of tens. Here count how many blocks of units are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will write 8 at the place of units. So your figure is 198 or 198. You will write here 198. Here in this column you will write in figures, and in this column you will write in words. In this way you will solve this exercise 1.1 by using pencil in your books. In here you see nothing is given in the place of tens and place of units. Only 3 boxes of 100 are given here, and you know well that each box consists of 100 blocks and represent here as 1. So here how many blocks of 100 are given here? 3 blocks, boxes, 1, 2, 3. So you will write 3 here, and no blocks are given for tens and units. So you will write 300, 300 or 300 in words. Hope you all understand. Here you see 2 more questions are solved for you in the same exercise. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dark green boxes are given here? 6 boxes. So you write 6 here. And how many columns of tens are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you write 9, and no blocks are given for units. So you will write 0 in the place of units. So our figure is 690. In words you will write 690. Okay. In this way you will solve this exercise. Here you see that blocks or no columns of tens and units are given here. Only 9 boxes of hundreds are given here. So you will write 900 here, and in words 900. In this way you will solve this exercise. Okay. Hope you all understand. If you have any question regarding this exercise, you will ask me in chat box. Now we are moving towards our next topic, place value. Students, what is place value? The place value of a number lies according to the place it lies. Okay, what you understand from this statement? Here you see the number is 543. First of all, how to do place value? You will understand by looking understand this. units, tens, hundred. You all know very well. You all know very well that 3-digit means it consists of 3 places. Okay, so here how many digits are given here? 3 digits means units, tens, hundred. We make a chart of place value till 100, up to 100. So starting from this is right side and this is left side. So from right side, first unit is 3. So 3 comes at the place of unit. So what's the place value of 3 units? Here, units, tens, hundred. 4 comes at the place of tens. Here, what's the place value of this digit? Tens. 5 comes at the place of hundred. So what's the place value of what's the place of 500? In this way, you will understand this statement. The place value of a number lies according to the place it lies. It's the value, it's the place. So you hope you all understand this statement that the place value and this is place value of a number lies according to the place it lies. 3 comes at the place of units, 4 comes at the place of tens, and 5 comes at the place of hundred. So okay, here you see 5 lies in 100 plates, so you should write it like 500 because you all know very well that how many zeros are there in 100? 500. So how 2 zeros, okay? So we will represent 5 as 500. So here you put 2 zeros with 5 because 5 comes at the place of 100. Here you see 4 lies in the place of 10. So you will write it like 40 because you know that in tens, how many zeros are there? Only 1 zero. So you will write it like 40 or 40, and 4 will. So here you see 3. 3 lies at the place of unit. So you know any digit is here is after unit or unit digit will write as it is. So here what's the figure again? 5, 4, 3. Looking at this way, you will solve exercise 1.2, question number B. Question number 3 will solve in this manner. So hope you all understand this. If 5 lies in the place of 100, then 5 represents as 500. If 4 lies at the place of 10, then 4 writes as 40, and 3 lies at the place of unit. So 3 write as it is. The figure is same, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Here you see, first of all, we are going to solve part B of exercise 1.2, that is complete the following. Also look into your books, page number 3, part B of exercise 1.2. Okay, number 1 is solved here in your books, and number 2 is solved here on your look onto your screens. Question number 2. 450 means, yes students, 450 means what 100, how many tens and how many units. So here you see, starting from the right side, in place value, always start reading from right side. Here is your right side, and always start writing from left. So here we have to write. If we start read unit, 10, 100, but now we have to write. So what comes at the place of 100? 4. You will write 4 at the place of 100. Here they are asking what's at the place of 10. So here you see 5 at the place of tens. So you will write 5 here. And here you see 0 at the place of unit. So you will write 0 at the place of unit. In this same way, here you see question number 3. Start reading from the right, unit, tens, 100. Now start writing from the left. 2 comes at the place of 100, 0 comes at the place of tens, and 8 comes at the place of unit. In this way, you will solve this part by using pencil in your books. That is part B, exercise 1.2, page number 3. Okay. Now move to the next, part A, on the same page, page number 3. If you look into your screens, part A, fill in the blanks. This will solve in the same manner, like here you see that I give you example. Okay, in this way you will solve part A. Here it is opposite of part B. Okay, here 4 0 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 units. So you will, for your understanding, here you see 0 100 means 0 0 0, nothing in the place of 100. 2 tens means 20. Okay, because 2 comes at the place of tens, and you all know very well that when you write expanded form or in this form, you will put 0 with that digit to make it in the form of tens. So here you 2 tens means 20 and 4 units. When you add up these three, that the answer will comes like this, because there is no digit comes at the place of 100, so nothing will be written here. So here, what is your sum? 2 4. So you will write 2 4 here. This is simply the opposite form of part B. Okay, look into your books, page number 3, exercise 1.2, part A, question number 1. For 500s, 0 tens, and 5 units, we write what you have to do first. Question number 1, okay? 500 means 5 0 0. Then 0 tens means 0 0, and 5 units. Here you write 5. So what's your answer? 505. Okay, in this way you will solve this exercise. If you have any confusion, if you have uh, uh, any question regarding this part, you will ask me in chat box after the lecture ends. Now, expanded form and place value. All you know that unit comes as it is, starting from tens. How to do expanded form? Expanded form will do in this manner. Here you see 2 tens. If I ask from you that write expanded form of 2, and you know that 2 comes at the place of 10, so you will write expanded form of 2 like this, because 2 comes at the place of 10 and it will become 20. So here you see expanded form 1, if it comes at the place of 10, 10. Expanded form of 2, if it comes at the place of 10, 20. Now same so on further, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and so on. If it comes to the expanded form of 100, okay, and only 2 comes at the place of hundreds. If I ask from you that write expanded form of 2, and you know that 2 comes at the place of hundreds, so how to expand it? How to do it? How you expand 2 in this form? 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 100, and so on. In this way, you will do expanded form of tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Here you see part C of same exercise 1.2, page number 3. Part C, fill in the blanks. Here you see the number is given here 503, and you to have do a write in expanded form. So starting from the 100, you know that 5 comes at the place of 100, and when you write 5 as expanded form, then you will put 2 zeros with 5, because it comes at the place of 100, and you know that in 100 3 digits are 2 zeros are there in 100. So 5 is written as 500. There are zeros given in the place of 10, so you will do expanded form of tens in, right, 0 0. Then 3 comes at the place of unit, so you 3 will write as it is. Here another question is done for you. Question number 1 is also done for you in your book. Question number 3, 300. So expanded unit stands 100. First of all, break 100. So here you see 3 comes at the place of 100. So you will put 2 zeros with 3, and 3 represent as this. Now 0. So you will put 2 zeros at the place of tens, and here 0 single 0. You will put 0 as it is. Hope you all understand expanded form or how to do expanded form. You will also solve this exercise in your books. Page number 3, part C, part A, part B, part C. These 3 parts will done in your book, and please use pencils. Don't use pen or any other marker or anything while solving exercise in your books. Okay, is that clear? Now we are moving to 1000, or simply 4-digit numbers. If we add one block in 999, then it will become 1000. So the largest 3-digit number is 999, and After 999, what comes? 1000. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Or simply, if we add one block in 999, then it will become 1000. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many blocks of tens, columns of tens are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 columns. And how many blocks of units are given here? Also 9. So what's your number? Is 999 blocks together. When we add 1 in 999, then other smallest 4-digit number comes, that is 1000. So when we talk about 4-digit number, it's mean that we talk about 1000, and when we talk about 3-digit number, it means we talk about numbers up to 100. But now we are introducing 1000, and you know that smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, here you see one example for exercise 1.3, the 3-dimension boxes. 3-dimension means here, here, and here. 3-dimension boxes are these. You will look into at your screens. Okay. So these one single box consists of one single box consists of 1000 blocks. Okay. So here, how many boxes are given here? 2000, because one box consists of 1000 blocks, another box consists of 1000 blocks. So in the place of 1000, what digit will come? 2000, because two boxes of 1000 are given here. Okay. Now look at here, how many boxes of 100 here? Only 100, and you know that one box consists of 100 blocks, so you will write 1 here. Then 4 columns of tens are given here. You will write 4 at the place of tens, and 3 at the blocks of ones are given here, units are given here. So you will write 3 here. In this way, you will solve exercise 1.3 in your books by using pencil. Here, 2 questions are done for you. Look at here, exercise 1.3, page number 6 in your books. Count the blocks and write the numbers in figures and words for each of the following. Same as exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, we are talking about 1.1, we are talking about 3-digit numbers, and here we are talking about 4-digit numbers, and 4-digit number comes after 1000. So here you see dark green 3 box, that of 3-dimension box. Okay, as you see here, 3-dimension box. So here, how many 3-dimension box, or how many box of thousands are there? Only 1. So you will write 1 at the place of 1000 units, tens, 100, and then 1000. Then how many boxes of hundreds are given here? Only 1. You will write 1 here. How many columns of tens are given here? 3. You will write 3 here. And how many blocks of 4 units? 4. So you will write 4 here. In words, 1134. In the same way, you will see question number 4. How many 3-dimension boxes are given here? As I already told you, that 3-dimension box, one 3-dimension box consists of 1000 blocks. So here you see how many 3-dimension boxes are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9000 boxes are given here. So you will write 9 at the place of 1000. Now you will see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many boxes of 100 are given here? 9. So you will write 9 at the place of 100. How many columns of tens are given here? 9. So you will write 9. And how many boxes of single boxes are given here that represent units? 9. So your figure is 9999. In words, you will write 9999. Here you see predecessor and successor. Your next topic. Predecessor. Predecessor. In mathematics, a number which comes just before another number is called the predecessor of that number. The number that just before comes another number is called predecessor. the number that comes before. Here 89 is the predecessor of 90 because 89 comes before 90. And what is written here, the number that comes just before another number is called predecessor. So here 89 is a predecessor of 90 because 89 comes before 90. So this is called predecessor, the number that just come before another number. 999, the three-digit largest number, is the predecessor of 1000 because 999 becomes before 1000, the smallest four-digit number. Here, successor is the opposite of predecessor. In the successor is a number which comes just after another number is called successor. Predecessor means that comes before and successor means that comes after. Here you see 500 is the successor of 499 because 500 comes after 499. Here you see 1000, the smallest four-digit number, is the successor of 999. You see opposite simply. Here predecessor means the number that comes before and successor means the number that comes after. Okay. So guys, students, due to the shortage of time, we cover our exercise 1.3 part B, C and D in our tomorrow's lecture. Okay. So here I share some worksheets for your guidance. Number 1 worksheet and number 2 worksheet. These worksheets are same as I already taught you. Exercise 1.1, exercise 1.2. These worksheets are same as that. Here you see 100 blocks. You will do in this exercise same as exercise 1.1 because here they are asking about three-digit numbers because these are not three-dimension blocks. These are single 100 blocks. Okay, so what you have to do here, you will just match these match by seeing this. Here you see how many 100 blocks are given here, 2, and how many tens are given, columns of tens are given here, 3. So what's the number is 230. You will match this by this. Here you see how many blocks of 100 are given here, only one box. And how many columns of 10 are given here, 1 2 3 4 5. And how many blocks of units are given here, 4. So you will match it with 1 5 4. In this way you will run this worksheet. You will copy or you will take SS or you will print out this worksheet and solve it in your rough copy, or if you take print out of it, then solve it by using pencil. This is easily copied in your rough copy. This worksheet here, what you have to do, you have just to do expanded form, same as part C of exercise 1.2. Okay. Now move to the next worksheet. This is very simple. Place value 248. Here you know that 2 comes at the place of 100, 4 comes at the place of 10, and 8 comes at the place of 1s. Okay, 2 comes at the place of 100, 4 comes at the place of 10s, and 8 comes at the place of 1. So in this way you will solve this worksheet in your rough copy. This is your own choice that whether you take printout of it, take SS of it, or solve it in your rough copy. Here I am sharing home assignment with you. Exercise 1.1, page 1 and 2 in your books by using pencils. Exercise 1.2, part A, B and C, page number 3 in your books. Okay. And exercise 1.3, only part A you will do today in your books by using pencil. Part B, C and D we will discuss in our tomorrow's lecture. Okay, hope you all understand.